Hey everybody, it's A. Ali Flores with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you the best tips and tricks to make an awesome Orlando vacation. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to recharge your phone for free at Disney World. So, you're at Disney World, you're having a great time, you're riding rides, woo! You're seeing shows, it's amazing. And notice your phone is dead. Don't worry. We're going to go over how you can keep your phone charged during a full day at Disney World. But first, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. So, how can I charge my phone at Disney World for free? Best case scenario, you knew you were going to need to keep your phone and other devices charged. Mainly so you can make sure you're able to take all of those Insta-worthy photos, for the gram. So, you brought along a portable charger. Nice! Unfortunately, you didn't think about charging your portable charger. So now you're left with just your cable and a phone at 10%. No worries, we got you. There's plenty of phone charging stations at Disney World. All you need is your charger and to know where to look. Luckily, you still have some juice left in your phone, so pull up the My Disney Experience app and look at the map. Go ahead, do it now. You're gonna wanna find the icon of what looks like a battery charging. When you tap on that icon, you're going to want the one that says charging stations. And of course, you want the one closest to you. If you don't have any battery life left, just ask a cast member to point you to the nearest charging station. Disney World charging stations can be found in the tree stumps across from Rapunzel's Rest area in Fantasyland and near Pete's Silly Sideshow in Fantasyland in Magic Kingdom. If you don't see where the nearest charging station is, no worries. There's plenty of outlets throughout Disney World that guests can use to charge their devices. Try dining at tables that are near outlets so you can charge your device while you rest. And of course, if you're having any issues finding a place to charge your phone, just ask a cast member. They're like computers. They're so knowledgeable. They're always happy to help. Now for the worst case scenario, brace yourself. You're at Disney World. You don't have your charger. What do I do? It's all good. At Disney World, they have a nifty thing called a fuel rod. Now, you may have seen these at airports or other parks. Essentially, a fuel rod is a portable charger. And if you're not familiar with portable chargers, they're a way for guests to charge their devices while on the go. There are several fuel rod stations scattered throughout Disney World. You can find the locations of these kiosks on the My Disney Experience app as well. They'll have the same display of the charging battery icon and will be titled Portable Phone Charging. Once you find one of these kiosks, you'll be able to purchase a fuel rod kit. These kits come with a fully charged portable battery and all necessary adapters to keep your devices charged. It comes with a lightning cable, micro USB, and USB-C. Then you simply plug your device in and go. And if the fuel rod needs to be recharged, simply find another fuel rod kiosk, and for a small fee, you can swap out the battery to a fully charged one. Easy. The fuel rod is a great option for those that may have forgotten their portable charger at home, along with their charging cable, and their phone is dead. So many things. It happens. While the fuel rod can be a bit costly, it's a good safety net to help keep you connected. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.